Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. It's Jeff Mitosu Crafts and welcome to our channel. So today I'm sharing how to print and assemble your color wheel from our website. So the color wheel is available on our website at mitosocrafts.com, and it's got the Stampin' Up colors on there. So I'll share my screen with you. So from our website, you go to tutorials and blank PDF downloads, and the color wheel is there. So once you've ordered that, you can download that from your account on there. So it'll be connected to your account. And once you've downloaded your PDF, it's a 3-page PDF and it looks like that. With the third page is the dial wheel, so it's smaller than the actual the first two pages. So just bear that in mind. So that's what I'm gonna show you how to do. So to print it, file and then print. Choose your printer if you have more than one. Make sure that you're printing in color, as well as the paper size to what paper you have. So we have A4 in the UK. For US, you can choose your letter size paper. Portrait or landscape, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is the scale need to be 100%. So it configures it and makes it to actual size. If you do it a scale to fit, print entire image, the third wheel will be the same size as your other two pages. Or if you put fill entire paper, it actually, the height of the circle goes onto the height of your paper. So make sure that the scale is 100%. Okay. Media and quality, you can choose. Of course, the better quality or the best quality will be greater for your colors, as well as it depends on your printer and your ink levels. So check that as well. Once you've done that, you can just press print and that will print out. So you will get 3 pages of the PDF. If you don't want to use this reference guide for the back of the wheel, then don't print it and just choose page 1 and page 3. This printout, my printer was running out of ink by that point. So yes, so you will need, of course, either a craft tool, paper snips to cut it out, and round and square brads or any brads. I did have circular cutter, but this is 8 inches in diameter. Diameter, is it? So yes, so just make sure that you take care when cutting that out with your whatever tool you have. And finally, with this one, you will need to use a craft knife and self-healing mat. So just again, be careful when cutting that out. It is slightly bigger windows, so it might take longer for you, but hopefully you can see the lines. So I've gone ahead and cut most of the windows. So I'll just quickly do the last one. For the sides, try to aim for the outer edge of the line so you don't see the black line. But if not, that's not to worry. Just go in and carefully cut around. So it does take time, but if you do it once, carefully. Then hopefully you don't have to do it again. And hopefully that's done. There we go. So I have gone ahead as well and cut the other two using paper snips. So once you've done that, you can just make sure that it's lined up. This wheel, so it doesn't matter, that's the front, the back, and then you can, this wheel goes inside that white line edge. So there is a hole, or like a black hole in each page, but if you make it up already, then take a pierce mat, place that on it, and make sure that that wheel is on. You can just get a pierce tool and pierce the center. Get a brad, a small one or a big one. You could also add a third layer in between just to make it a lot more secure. And that is now done. There we go. So you have the wheel. The reference guide is on the other side, so it tells you about the different colors on the outer edge with different symbols. You have the different schemes on the side to choose from, and obviously the windows, they have symbols as well, so complementary, monochromatic, analogous, and the triadic on there. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Do let me know in the comments if you have got a color wheel and if you use it, or if you would like to have one. Our color wheel is only available for a limited time only, so if you haven't got one yet, do check out our website, mitosocrafts.com. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye.